Tired of throwing marketing dollars into the Facebook abyss, hoping something sticks? This video will show you how to laser target your Facebook ads using Kvacore's powerful integration, turning those wasted dollars into a lead-generating machine. Let's dive in. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your command center for all things marketing. In the Marketing dropdown, find and click on Facebook Ads. This will take you directly to the Kvcore Facebook Ads Management platform. Now, if you haven't already, connect your Facebook business page. This is crucial for running ads. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Kvacore's access. Next, click on Create Campaign to start building your first targeted ad. You'll be presented with a variety of campaign options, like promoting a listing, generating leads, or building brand awareness. Let's say you want to promote a listing. Select the Promote Listing option. Kvcore will automatically pull listing details from your MLS, saving you tons of time. Now, customize your ad copy, headline, and call to action. This is where you grab attention. The magic really happens with Kvacore's custom audience targeting. You can target by location, demographics, interests, and even behaviors. For even better results, explore Kvcore's Lookalike Audiences feature. This allows you to target Facebook users who are similar to your existing contacts, significantly increasing your chances of finding qualified leads. Once you're happy with your ad and targeting, simply click Publish Campaign and let Kvcore do the rest. It will automatically optimize your ads and track your results, giving you valuable insights into what's working and what's not. You're now officially a Facebook marketing pro with Kvcore.